The latest data from CoreLogic reveals that the Sydney property market continued its stunning run with a 3.9% increase over the 3 months of spring, a result that's confirmed by Raine and Horne agents across Sydney. When analysing the real estate market, it's never a case of one size fits all, and Sydney's real estate is a mixture of hundreds of submarkets with different price points. As a consequence, some markets such as St Mary's in the Outer West have enjoyed a record spring, as have Sydney's northern beaches. Meanwhile, the red-hot housing markets in Sydney and Melbourne, combined with low interest rates, are also helping to drive demand for Brisbane real estate. The Queensland capital is attracting yield-hungry investors who are being priced out of the Sydney and Melbourne market, as it's still possible to buy investment properties for less than $180,000 in Brisbane South. Demand is now starting to drive up values in some of Brisbane's suburbs, a trend that I expect to continue in 2015, especially if the Reserve Bank decides to cut interest rates early in the year. Now for my real estate tip. A well-located residential property is a good long-term investment. Investors are faced with choosing between cash, bonds, shares or property. But, as Sam is better qualified to tell you, cash and interest rate investments are low risk or defensive asset classes, which produce minimal returns long term and even less after inflation. Meanwhile, shares can produce excellent long-term returns as long as you can stomach the volatility. On the other hand, a quality, well-located residential property consistently doubles in value every 7 to 10 years and comes without the volatility associated with other assets. Yet owning an investment property is not a license to print money. Real estate success involves securing a quality property located in a high growth area such as a capital city or major regional town with decent employment opportunities and ample infrastructure such as roads, schools and hospitals. A high growth area will also have plenty of entertainment outlets for prospective tenants such as decent shopping centres, cinemas, restaurants, parks and beaches. In closing, I'd like to wish you a very happy Christmas and safe New Year. See you next year.